Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HBO Max on PlayStation step by step clearly. Start by turning on your PlayStation console. Once the system is on, navigate to the home screen. From the home screen, scroll to the PlayStation Store. In the PlayStation Store, use the search function to find HBO Max. Select HBO Max from the search results. Click on the download button to begin the installation. Wait for the app to download and install on your console. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the HBO Max app in your list of installed applications. Open the HBO Max app. When the app launches, you will see the option to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an HBO Max account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your HBO Max account. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once you're logged in, a screen will appear with an activation code. Make a note of this activation code. Now, using a smartphone or computer, open a web browser. Go to the activation website, hbomax.com/TV sign-in. Enter the activation code displayed on your PlayStation. Follow the prompts to finalize the activation process. Once activated, return to your PlayStation and enjoy all the content HBO Max offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.